Samborlang Rinja, a 6-year-old aspiring goalkeeper from Meghalaya who captured the attention of Argentina goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez, has dreams of making it big in the football world. Here is a report.
Little Samborlang became the talk of the town when Argentina goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez shared a reel of him displaying his goalkeeping skills on his Instagram story. A shy Samborlang, who is in Standard 1, said that he idolized Martinez and wants to meet him one day. His mother, Kintulang Rinja, recalled that he became interested in the game since he was 2 years old and later became more inspired after watching Martinez. The mother said that he never wanted any other toys except a football. Samborlang has been approached by renowned football club Shillong Lajong to play for under-8 tournament. He was also in talks with Minerva Academy, who approached him for a trial in Chandigarh. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.